Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ankita and today I welcome you all to my channel with a new video, new tutorial about Korean makeup, how to do step by step. So here I'm applying Foxtail moisturizer and I'm applying all over my face so that it can look good, and keep it at least for 2 minutes so that it can get easily absorbed on your face and so that it can be easily blendable on your face. And then you can apply any primer, any gel based primer, so that it can go with your face and absorb it better for better result on the foundations. Because this is a big yes, whenever you are going for any makeup you should first apply primer on your face so that your makeup doesn't look cakey or doesn't get oxidized. Yes, so primer is a big yes before doing any makeup. And I'm applying here Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm applying all over my face, and I'm applying all over the neck. Don't forget your neck area, because neck area is also the part of your face. Because whenever you are going for any makeup and you make up your face and you forget about your neck and it looks like black and white, so please don't forget to make up your neck also. Please don't forget to apply the foundation on your neck. So here I'm applying Oriflame concealer all over my areas where I want to highlight it. I'm applying under eyes and their left and right side of the nose, and then on the mouth side I'm applying and I'm highlighting it so that whenever I'll do the blush and the later part it will look good. Here I'm applying Hilary Rora eyebrow trying, and please don't forget that if you are making it broader your face will look shorter. So I'm just highlighted the border area of the eyebrows. You can also do the same. And here I am applying Fit Me compact powder, and please make it fresh. To look it fresh, please apply it properly on your face and spread it all over the face so that it doesn't look the two sides are parallel. And here I am concealing. Here I am highlighting my nose to give it a proper shape, to give it a highlight, to give it a proper shape of my face. So yes, you can do the same. I have taken any brown eyeshadow, and then you can also do it. And applying the light pink eyeshadow to achieve that proper Korean look. I have not used twice any eyeshadow. I have taken one time and I am applying the same, and I am smudging it off all over my eyes so that it can create a same look on the both side of my eye. And please watch it how to apply the blush when you are doing any Korean makeup. It's not should be the front of your cheeks. I'm highlighting the area where I want to blush it so that you can also apply it. Yes, so I'm applying on the both side of your cheeks, not on the front of the cheeks. Yes, so yes, I have blended this, and now I'm applying highlighter to the inner corner of my eyes to give it a shiny look, to get a glam look. In Korean makeup, actually what does really matter, your blush and the highlighter where you are highlighting the areas. So take any brown or close to your shade and then draw a line like I'm drawing to create that Korean eyes look. So yeah, and take then some concealer and apply the way I am applying on the lower lashes between that area where you have marked down with the brown eyeshadow. So I have tried to apply it, and then yes, then blend it so that it can create that pulp area in the lower lashes of your eyes. And then I'm applying some highlighter that in between that gap to fill it so that it can come out as that. Yes, you can see, as you can see, my eyes is looking fluffier, and it looks like that I am not all the Korean girl, but yeah, it's giving me to some extent that look that yes, my eyes is looking like a Korean. So you can also apply it and you can also get this result. And I have highlighted my nose area as well, and the area where I want to highlight it, please keep it a watch, and then apply the same on your face. Don't forget to highlight your inner corner of the eyes. You can take any highlighter. I have tried to show you with all the affordable products so that we can all create. We love to create. Being a teenage, we all have not that much money to buy some those costly products, so that you can go ahead with the affordable product I have shown with those products which I have right now. And I have tried to apply that eyebrows pencil, with that eyebrows pencil, the eyeliner, not too dark, and just to give it a wing, light wing, I have applied on the both side. And if you want more wing, you can stretch it like I have done it with my finger. And then applying Sky High Rise mascara, and which is my one of the most go mascara wherever, for if I am going for outing or doing any makeup or for any party makeup, I apply the same mascara all over. And if you want, I can paste this link in the description box as well. So yeah, almost my look has been completed, and you can see the look which I wanted to create for you. Now it's time to highlight your lips, where you want to look your lips to be proportionate. You can apply in the same way that I am applying. I have applied any brown uh, eyeshadow you can take, and then you can put it on your lips to get it or achieve the proper lips proportion. So yes, contour your lips in that way so that it can look your lip like a proportionate one. And then I have applied a light pink shade all over my lips, and then applied a liquid red lipstick in the middle of my lips. And now I'm highlighting it with a highlighter on upper lips and as well as lower lips as well. And now I'm applying here using Dot and Key glitter bomb lip gloss, which is SPF 30 plus plus plus. You can also, if you want, I can paste the link in the description box as well. So yes, my lips is completed. I have if you lips, and if you want to look like this, please take some concealer and apply it on the upper lips of your lips, and you can achieve this look as well. Yes, so I'm highlighting the area which I want to highlight it, and I am adding some shimmer to my face so that it can look better. And you can go for it, girls. This is very affordable look, and if you want to get this look as Korean girl, or if you're going for any party, or if you want to get any kind of look in your white outfits, you can go ahead with this look I have tried to show you. And with the minimal products I have applied all over my face to show you that you can also achieve this look the way I have achieved it. Yes, there is only 5 to 6 minutes it will take. If you want, I can paste more videos. And thanks for watching. If you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.